Hello, my English virtual tutor. My name is Jeffrey Lopez, and this is my reflection video. After having completed my practice process, I can say that I did well in the following aspects. First, in the relationship with the student, I always try to be cordial and respectful with them. Second, in the implementation of innovative classes that include games and different activities that capture the attention of the student. 3. In communication with the teacher who provides support during the process. 4. In supporting the institution in activities outside the classroom that contribute to the successful development of say activities. The areas in which I consider that should be improved are: first, in time management, since in several class lessons I had to make some modification because the students spend longer doing the activities that expected. Second, in the acquisition of resources to carry out games and other strategies because the school does not have the necessary resources, although different material from the environment were used, other strategies can be sought to obtain them. 3. In the classroom setting, since the walls are in very poor condition, although to understand that in part in this is the responsibility of the institution, as teachers something can be done so that the student learn in pleasant environment. During the development of the lesson, I have to face the following challenges. First, travel to the institution every day of practice because it's located in a rural area, and every time it rains, the road will fill with mud and is damaged. Second, another challenge was to find a strategy for those students who almost always got distracted in class. Being patient was essential to keep them in class doing the activities. 3. Another challenge was having to make weekly plans since it was difficult for me due to my other occupation and commitments. But with effort and late night, I managed to do everything. Finally, I must say that this was a significant experience where I strengthened my teaching practice and learned more about the strategies that should be used in first grade growth. Thank you.